Welcome to another renovation moment. As a renovation realtor, it's my job to help buyers see the potential in a home. And sometimes it's about finding the right house in the right neighborhood that's dated and needs a lot of TLC, like this one. In the 80s, it was really popular to have sunken living rooms. Today, not so much. In fact, it actually hurts resale. My suggestion is to raise this flooring all the way to the same level.
Hi there, we're back in this home that has been completely renovated. As you can see, the homeowners did raise the height of the flooring so that it's all the same height. They replaced the parquet flooring with tile and added wood flooring to the remainder of the common areas in this home.
The other thing is, on this fireplace, this is a very contemporary style house with huge soaring ceilings, but the fireplace is a little dated as well. In this house, there are built-in bookcases on either side of the fireplace, which also give it a dated look. These will be removed, as well as allowing us to open this space into the kitchen.
So the bookshelves have been removed and the fireplace has been painted to give it a clean, contemporary look.
Another way to create a more spacious feeling is to open up this upstairs walkway by removing this wall and adding a balustrade with open spindles.
What an incredible difference this industrial style iron cable railing has made to open up this home.
The same can be done on the stairway, which will open that up as well.
As suggested, the stairway was also opened up and replaced with the cable railing, which makes it much more open and bright than it was before. In addition, the homeowners also decided to do a flat finish on the texture of the walls and update all of the colors in this home.
Again, in the 80s, a built-in bar was a must-have for entertaining. Today, not so much. This, at this point, is kind of wasted space. Behind the bar is the master bedroom closet. We can enclose this wall and open it up on that side to give more space to the closet.
Here, the outdated bar was removed, the space enclosed, which gave the owners about 18 square feet of usable space in their master closet.
What's not to love about this giant jacuzzi bathtub? Obviously, this has to go, and the whole bathroom can be reconfigured and give it much more space than it has right now. This bathtub can be moved over and the shower extended in this bathroom. The shower will be opened up with a glass wall and a frameless door, which will make it appear much larger. The cabinets are separated with a wall that just takes up space, so that whole space needs to be taken out and start over. Right now, there's no door to the master bath. Everybody needs a door on their bath. So the ideal situation is to enclose this wall, and we're going to look at adding a door on the other side of the bedroom that goes into the master bath. We'll also be losing this door right here, which really serves no purpose.
Wow, gone is the monstrosity that was here, and it's been replaced by this sleek bathtub and beautiful walk-in shower. When we first looked at this home, one of the buyers had a very difficult time imagining that the space in this bathroom would be big enough. When we actually measured it compared to their old bathroom, we had an extra 2 feet on one end. The doorway was originally on this end, and by moving it into the middle, taking out the wall in the middle over here, by the time you add the vanities, as you can see, this is a huge space.
This breakfast nook was a great idea in the 80s. Now it feels a little too cozy. We can open up this space by raising the ceilings, removing the fur downs. Behind me is a beautiful sunroom, so this wall can go away. It is not structural.
So no one seems to be missing the breakfast nook. And by raising the ceilings and opening up this wall, look at the light and bright space that has been created in this room.
And in the kitchen, the island can go away and the entire kitchen will be reconfigured, along with increasing the size of the pantry Once the island is gone, this pantry can be extended up here, and we can have the doors on this side with sliding doors.
So the original pantry ended around here, but by moving the island, we were able to extend the pantry out, move the doors to this side, creating a huge walk-in pantry. Because we're going to be removing this wall into the family room, we will also have the option of configuring this countertop and this breakfast bar area any way we want to at that point. With the help of an architect, this is now a dream kitchen with design elements that make it more than just practical, but beautiful as well. Again, if you're looking at a home that needs big or small renovations, start with a good renovation realtor.